Hi and smiles, everyone. Hope you're all having a good day as always. Today, I have a haul video for you. I had ordered a few things from AliExpress and it came in the mail. So, I'm excited to see what all came. I just opened up the individual. I haven't taken a look. I've opened up the individual packages just so there isn't so much crinkling. What I found interesting this time is there's like 5 different shops in this one bag, and it all came in one unit, which was unusual. I've ordered before, and I usually the different shops come packaged separately. So found that interesting, and it came a little quicker than when I've ordered in the past. But anyways, let's get started. Let's see what we got. Okay, I'll just take all of this out of the package. Okay, I think we'll start with these here. I did pull these out. I haven't fully looked at them. These are like a full of fake suede leather pieces, and they looked quite interesting. I thought they might make a good start of a cover for a journal. So it's very, very soft. That's the inside, and here's the outside. Oh, that is such a pretty color. So that's just a perfect size for a journal too. Oh yeah, I think I'm going to really enjoy using these. So I got that color, the green. And this one I'm assuming will be the red. Full leather, I guess they call it. Okay, let's see. So that would be the inside. And then, oh yeah, like a burgundy. That's actually... it shows kind of pink on the screen, but it's more reddish. But it's really pretty. Okay. And then I got, oh yeah, this is the gray. I thought that would make a nice start of a mail journal, I think. For a man, I should say. Or someone that more male oriented anyway. Okay, and then we got the tan color. Okay, those are really nice. I think I'll enjoy playing with those. And then what have we got in this package? Oh, it's charms. It's charms. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, these are all really nice. So first we've got these sun ones. I'll just hold them up. Yeah, aren't those pretty? Oh yeah. So I got these all with thoughts of charms for the journals. All kinds of ways you can use the charms, of course. So I think that's a package of 10. Comes with 10. And then we got the moon sun ones. Half moon, half sun. Probably about 20 in that package, it looks like. Something like that. Oh yeah. So that looks really cute. Those are really pretty too. Oh, those are gonna look so nice. Yes, like those. Okay, I guess I should move along quicker. Okay, and then we've got some birdies. Some birds, and those are all... Oh, come on. silver too. They're quite tiny. Hopefully you can see everything well. So yeah, there's quite a few in that package. Probably 30 or so in there, I think. And then I got these are like buttons. They're quite tiny. A little bit tinier than I thought they were going to be, but there still will be. So there's some bronze and some silver and some gold is what it is. So tiny little buttons. That'd be so cool on a sewing journal, wouldn't it? Okay, and then let's just look at all the silver. And then I got these hearts. These heart ones with a little flower at the top. There we go. Very useful in all kinds of ways in journals. Oh, and I was excited to see these bows. Oh, they are really nice. Really, really nice, these bows. Look at that. Aren't those lovely? Oh, I'm impressed with those. And it looks like there's probably about 20 in that package. And then I got these tiny little butterflies. And they come in like bronze, in the bronze, the gold, and the silver, and then like a brass and a copper, and there's the gold, and there's the silver. So I think it comes in those 4 colors. Oh, those are cute. Very, very thin. But I knew they were going to be really thin ones. And oh, there's got to be 50 of them. And then these are little foxes. Ah, there we go. Oh, those are so cute. These little foxes are cute. Okay, so I got those little foxes. And then I found these and I thought they were very interesting. Aren't they going to be lovely to use in journals? So it's like music note charms. Look at that. Yeah, I'm really liking those. Those are going to be great in so many ways. And then the sunflowers, and oh, they're pretty too. I might have to take one and make a necklace out of these. Look at those sunflowers. Okay. All right. Boy, lots and lots of charms. I ordered some from another place too. So I have a few more charms, and I think it's probably in this box. Yep. So we'll look at these real quick. Oh, the bees. I remember the bees. Okay, so first we have some more. Oh, these are numbers. So there's all kinds of, 1 to 9, or 0 to 9. All these different numbers. Oh, I really like the font. Yeah. And it says 100 on there. So I get 100 numbers. Okay. And then, oh, aren't those interesting? So these are hearts with the music on them. They're not quite as large as the other ones, but oh, they're cute. Hopefully you can see that all right. So it has all the music notes on it. Isn't that nice? Oh, and these are beyond. These are beautiful. I've seen these, and I was hoping. Oh, and they are gorgeous. They're leaves. Look at those. Oh my goodness, those are beautiful. Aren't those beautiful? Again, I might make a necklace out of one of them. Oh, they are gorgeous. They're going to be so nice in journals, like botanical journal. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, and then I got bees. Bees. And this was a variety pack. Whoop. So I'm not sure how many different kinds of bees are in here, but there's lots. Oh, look at that big one. So we got some little ones. Look at the size of that one. Isn't that nice? Oh, he looks like he's missing a part of his leg there, but maybe it's supposed to be like that. Nice big one. And then we've got, oh, those ones. So there's just all kinds of different bees in here. Oh, he's cute. He's a cartoonish one. So yeah, all kinds of bees, all different kinds. And look, like 50 grams of those. Quickly put those. I'll just keep those to the side and I'll get those later. Okay, so that is all the charms, I believe. And then this one, what is this one? Oh, this one was a stamp. And I thought it was going to be bigger than it ended up being. Let's just open it. Yeah, I thought it would be good for ephemera. Making some ephemera pieces with it, but it's really, really tiny. Like leisure, you know, and invoice and things like that. And I thought they were going to be a lot bigger than they are. But that's okay because I can make some tag type things and I'll figure out a use for them, that's for sure. Can't really read what the lettering on that is right now, but I will stamp those out later. And okay, and then I got one more thing. And this is a die cut. Oh, yes. So like botanical die cut. Nice size. Nice. I was hoping it was going to be a size like this. I'm going to have so much. That's quite a glare. I'm going to have so much fun playing with these. For sure. I'd been looking for a while for a die cut like this. So I'm so glad that I found it. Yes, that's going to be awesome. Awesome. Okay, that is everything, I believe. And just double check, make sure I didn't miss any. Nope, I didn't. Okay, so I'll just hold this up for you all. Those are the different stores, and you can pause the video and go check it out for yourself. I'll just hold it here for a sec so you get a nice good shot. I'll bring it a little bit closer. There you go, guys. So anyways, that's it for today, for now. Anyway, I hope you all have a very, very good day and a very good crafty kind of day. And we will see and talk to you soon. Bye for now. Hi everyone. I just thought I would come back real quickly and let you guys see these stamps stamped out. because they weren't the best to see like this, so that you could see for yourself what they were like. And like I said, they were just a little smaller than I was hoping they would be, but they do stamp out really well. Anyway, that's all I wanted to do, was show you how these stamps stamped out. So have a good day. Talk soon. Bye.